Fidor Bank stands out in the world of banking for entrepreneurs because it combines flexibility, digital innovation, and a focus on small businesses. One of the best features for entrepreneurs is its fully digital business account, which allows seamless management of finances without the need for traditional paperwork. This feature saves time and money, letting business owners focus on growth rather than administrative hassles. With instant account setup, entrepreneurs can start managing funds immediately, receiving payments, and making transactions without waiting days for approval. Fidor Bank also provides integrated financial tools that help businesses monitor cash flow, track expenses, and analyze revenue in real time. This is particularly useful for startups and small businesses, where every dollar counts. The bank's interface is designed for efficiency, allowing entrepreneurs to connect business accounts with accounting software or payment platforms directly. This reduces the need for manual data entry, saving hours each week and improving financial accuracy. Another significant advantage is Fidor's community-driven approach. Entrepreneurs can access a network of like-minded business owners, exchange insights, and even explore partnership opportunities. The platform supports collaborative problem-solving, which can be invaluable when navigating challenges such as cash flow management, fundraising, or market expansion. Fidor also provides competitive business financing options. Entrepreneurs can apply for loans or credit lines directly through their account, with transparent terms and fast approval processes. The interest rates and fees are clearly communicated upfront, ensuring entrepreneurs can make informed financial decisions without surprises. Security is also a top priority. Fidor Bank implements advanced encryption and fraud detection systems to protect both personal and business funds. Entrepreneurs can conduct transactions confidently, knowing their financial information is safeguarded. Overall, Fidor Bank's combination of digital convenience, financial tools, community support, and secure banking solutions makes it an excellent choice for entrepreneurs looking to manage, grow, and optimize their business finances efficiently.